Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. But you can always disable it by clicking on the shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit to access Display, and then scroll down again. Finally, click on Auto Rotate Screen under Other Display Controls and click on those two switches to enable or disable auto rotation when your device is folded or unfolded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!